Yeah, she's a hot one.
Ricky, we can definitely roast marshmallows on here, right?
Yeah, we'll get some.
This won't go on fire. Dad,
What?
this won't go on fire.
I'll hold it in the hole.